All right, we're with Tim Henggeler here with AMP. AMP has a BedStep. They've had it for a while, but this is something new. Tim, what is this?
Yeah, this would be the AMP BedStep 2. So many new trucks that are coming out they sit up so high. So for the consumer to get into the back of the bed, whether it be a luggage, a suitcase, hunting gear, whatever it may be, a storage toolbox setup, this just gives you the opportunity to get into the side of the bed rather than stand on the wheel and possibly your feet kicking out from you and getting hurt. It's vehicle specific, but it will mount on either side of your truck. When you're not in use, you just kick it up with your foot, it's out of the way, and then you just step on it, pull it back down. It does come with a 5-year warranty, 300-pound load rating.
Awesome. Thank you, Tim.
Thank you.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.